Okay, today I want to show you a way that you can use News to You with the students. So in your email that I sent you a link to News to You, as well as my username and password that should bring you directly to this page. One of the things I like to do when I'm working with the students is get rid of this big blue bar. I come to the heart, turn off the show class schedule and X out of that. And that just gives you a little more space. And that way you can come here to these arrows and enlarge the picture, because especially once you're sharing it on your screen, it's really not going to be very big for them to see. Um, the easiest way to then to go within the lesson is hit go and come to where the level is that you're going to need. Your more basic levels are your level 1, and the level 3 is more complex. So for example, on this one, I'm going to just go to level 1, and you can go through the lessons with the students. You can manipulate this screen to show them the lesson. I like to show them only one question or problem at a time. I think that makes it a little simpler and easier to focus. Um, for the most part, News to You is going to let them know if they have the answer right or wrong. So you can read the question. Juan's been feeling stressed lately. He wants to make a stress ball. What's the latest time he can go to the store for supplies? So which clock shows the latest time? 1:30, 6:30, or 2 o'clock? All of them do say PM. So if they choose incorrectly, they're going to get the negative response. And then if they do choose correctly, they should get the ding and the green outline. If for some reason when you're doing that, it doesn't show up, come over here to the globe and click on settings, because every now and this can get triggered off, and you're going to want to go to where it says highlight right or wrong answer, play incentive audio. You do want those to be turned on, because that's going to give them that feedback if it's right or wrong. So feel free to come in here and play around, and check out the different things that are in here. And there are also, at the very beginning of the lesson, there are a lot of pages really written for teachers that can give you some ideas of ways to present the lesson, to introduce it, how to model it. I know Colonel wants some of you all working on your scripts. So this point blank tells you what you can say, how you can model it, how they can practice it, um, and hopefully that will help you out. I don't expect you to go through this whole lesson. This is about 50 pages worth of material. So pick a part of it and focus on that. Hope that helps you.